Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Gorillaz. Remember Gorillaz with the Clint Eastwood song? You're happy? Yeah, I think you remember that. This one is called Cracker Island featuring Thundercat. A cool song. And it goes in the same way through the entire song. We have 5 different chords and no need for any capo. So let's start looking at these chords first. And I think the best way is to have all these in bar chords except from the last E minor. Otherwise, bar chords only. So let's start with the D minor. Alright, we have the D minor here. Bar on the 5th fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom up. So finger on the 5th fret, and then you have the 7th fret on D string, 7th fret on G, and 6th fret on B. So there you have your D minor. And I just want to mention, you don't need to be that careful when it comes to bar all the way down. We'll use and play more of the bass strings, bass and middle strings. So these are the important strings here, the A, D, and G perhaps, all right? So just some technique stuff there. All right, that's the D minor. Now the A sharp, you will continue with the bar, of course. You have now on the 6th fret from the E string down, that means all strings. So bar on the 6th fret, and the rest will be 8 on the A string, 8 on the D string, and then you can continue here with 7th on G, and that's it. Alright, so there you have the A sharp. You take that grip and put it on the 5th fret with the bar there, and that gives you the next chord, which is A. So bar on the 5th fret, all strings, and the rest will be 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6th on G. Right? Then you go from A all the way down to the F. You need to bar the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G if you want. You will probably not play that, but you use the bass strings for this one. That is the F, and the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, and 2nd D. That is basically what you need. So there you have the chord progression: D minor, A sharp, A, F, and E minor. Okay, so what you do, you basically play down up for each and every chord, but you will have it in a certain rhythm. So down up, A sharp, A, F, E minor. And it will sound like this. So down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up. And I use a clap after the first 3 chords. So that means down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap. And on the last 2 chords, it goes that fast, so you don't have time, so you just do down, up, and that is 1 round. And then you go again from D minor. Yeah, and that pretty much covers Gorillaz, Cracker Island, and that's it for this time. So thank you for watching. Hope that helped. And if it did, thumb up, leave a comment. It's nice. And play tune.